Four Corners is one of my favorite pieces. It's choreographed by Ron Brown. I have the privilege of being the lead female in this piece. I think I love it so much because there's kind of this like quiet storm feel about the piece, which kind of speaks to my personality, I think. I play like the mother, and there are sorrowful bits in this piece. There are moments of collective struggle and collective yearning, you know, but there's also a great release and a joy and a celebration of our humanity and of our love for each other, and I feel like a goddess. I feel so strong and so loving, and you know, I can kind of open my heart when I'm on stage. There's actually one moment where I face the audience and I kind of speak to them, and I open my arms and I like encompass them all, and I'm telling them like, you're gonna be safe with me, just come with me on this journey. And whenever I get to really speak to the audience, or there's a bit of a literal sense where I get to talk, you know, with my body, I feel great. I feel like I'm actually kind of giving something that the audience members can take away with them.